Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Gayatri Garud, consultant neonatologist at Aurinda Mother and Child Care Hospital, Dombivli. Today I'm here to talk about breastfeeding. So the first week of August was celebrated as Breastfeeding Week worldwide. The main purpose of the Breastfeeding Week is to motivate the mothers and promote breastfeeding. So let me take this opportunity to address the most common questions on breastfeeding. First and foremost, why do we need to breastfeed and what are the benefits? So, breastfeeding acts as an immunity booster, protects the babies from various viral and bacterial infections. It decreases the risk of diarrhea, respiratory tract infections, ear infections, allergies. It is also a perfect nutrition for the babies. It has perfect amount of proteins, calories, fats, and all the multivitamins required for the baby. It is also the most easily digestible milk for the baby. It helps in brain development and also protects the baby from diabetes, obesity, and allergies in long term. Are there any benefits to the mother? Yes, definitely. It protects the mothers from breast cancer, ovarian cancer, and diabetes. It decreases the risk of uterine bleeding in the postpartum period and also helps the mother in losing weight after the pregnancy. Most importantly, it improves bonding between mother and the baby. Apart from all these benefits, breastfeeding is also inexpensive, easily available, and does not require any storage or heating. So it decreases costing of formula feeds. Plus, as it protects from so many infections, it reduces the cost related to the doctor visits, medicine, and hospital admissions. So when should we start breastfeeding? Breastfeeding should be started within 1 hour after birth or as soon as possible, both in cesarean and normal delivery. Yes, even in cesarean section, baby can be put to mother's breast in lying down position. After birth, milk is produced in small amount. Is this enough for the baby? So first 3 days, the milk is thick and yellow, which is called as the colostrum. So colostrum is the liquid gold. Colostrum is produced in small amount in these 3 days, but in initial days, baby's stomach capacity is less and this is much enough for the baby. How frequently breastfeeding should be done? Breastfeeding should be given 2 to 3 hourly or as and when the baby cries. Each breastfeeding session should be at least for 15 to 20 minutes. So how do we know that breastfeeding is adequate? So there are many ways to know this. Baby should sleep 1.5 hours to 2 hours in between the feeds. Baby should pass urine for minimum of 6 times a day and should gain weight regularly. How long should the baby be breastfed? Baby should be given exclusively breastfeeding till 6 months of age. This means there is no need to give additional water also. After 6 months, gradually we can start the baby on complementary feeding. So you can breastfeed the baby even till 1.5 years or 2 years of age. What should be the diet of the mother during the breastfeeding? Is there any special diet? So mother can have regular food and there is no special diet as such. However, it is advised to have plenty of water and eat lots of vegetables and fruits. What to do if the mother is unable to breastfeed in situations like having a preterm baby or there is a cracked nipple, sore nipple, retracted nipple. So in such situation, mother can always express the milk and can feed the baby with same breast milk using vati and spoon or palaida. Can mother breastfeed if she has minor illnesses like fever, cough, cold? Yes, mother can definitely breastfeed. In fact, during such infections, mother will have amount of antibodies that can protect the babies against these infections. Thank you.